Hey, I'm up at the dump, and I found some pretty cool things today. If only this bulb wasn't broken. Look at how big that is. That's some really big stuff. Is that still good? That might still be good. Oh no, that electrode's like gone. I'll still get it though. Look at these huge ballasts for the lights. Oh, that I think is 120 volt actually. Oh, I'm definitely taking these. That's cool. And oh wait, there is one. Oh, there is actually one that is intact. Let's see. What does it say? It's a mercury lamp. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. I can't believe these are at the dump. And also the ballasts too. That's awesome. So I'll get those. And let's see. I also found this fuse. Old, what does it say? Commercial. 120 volt, 125 volt, 25 amps. That's pretty cool. It was in a little fuse box that was very broken. Which it wasn't broken, it was really cool and old. It had like a lever, almost like a breaker, but it was a fuse box. It looked like a breaker paddle for the switch. Let's see, is there anything else back here? I'm using a GoPro, so this will be a whole lot better quality than my tablet, and I can just put the GoPro in my pocket. If only that window wasn't broken. That'd be nice to have. Probably take these propane tanks too. Yeah, these ones look pretty old. Those ones are a little bit newer, it seems. There's that. And I might make a furnace out of these if I can find some good insulation. And also I found this battery charger. Not as big as the other one that I have that I'm using with on my workbench, but it will definitely work. There's a little engine. And then over here is the fuse box. This looks just, oh, I wish it wasn't broken. It's like pieces of it everywhere. It's just a really cool. Let's see if I can get that mechanism out. Or you can kind of see it there. Ah, that would have been so cool. And, oh, here's a little tank. Looks like some sort of gas canister. Oh, it's filled with dirt, I think. I'm not going to bother with that. And that's pretty much it. Pile's gotten really big again. What that is. Huh. No idea what that is. Kind of looks like a flue for a fireplace, but it has these latches. I don't know. Yeah, I found some pretty good things today. Is that electrical? No, I don't think that. No. load these up.